Welcome to the Kwik Performance Engine Lab. We have our OBS test mule here, and we have mocked up our R4 conversion. So if you have one of these trucks, 88 to 95, and it has the R4 compressor there, and you're looking to replace that because it's a maintenance hassle or whatever, we make a bracket here that allows you to mount a Sanden mini compressor just on the front of your small block motor. We also, because in doing that you're going to have trouble getting AC lines to that, this is a specific fitting to this truck. It's not going to come in a universal kit or anything like that. So we went ahead and pre-crimped up a bunch of AC lines to go on here so that you can get to your dryer and get to your condenser out front. And we have those crimped ready to go. All you have to do is charge up the system. So once again, an inexpensive way to upgrade your existing package. Now, we do have AC lines for other configurations. If you are doing a Sanden compressor or doing an R4 compressor, we have that as well. This is what we have for right here. It's a great option to keep your OEM AC system and just upgrade to a better compressor. Give us a look on the website. Thanks.